What's up guys, it's Adrian and welcome back to my channel. I found a new way to grow your Instagram profile as an artist and it is legit. I've actually been testing it for the past few days and I'm gonna show you my results and it's crazy. First, let me jump over to my Instagram and show you in real time how many followers I'm getting. So I'm on my Instagram right now and I'm gonna go to my notifications, and if I scroll you can see just followers, all within the past 1 to 2 days. And this is just from that Instagram growth campaign that I'm gonna show you in this video. So look, more and more followers. So there you have it. It actually works. Now let me show you inside the business manager how it looks. So you can see I have a lifetime budget of $100 spread over 30 days. So that's about $3 a day. And so far I've only spent $25. And so far I got 566 profile visits. So out of those 566 profile visits, I've been getting a lot of them to convert and become actual followers. So say you want to create a campaign similar to this, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to the campaign level, you need to select traffic, and then you need to go to manual traffic campaign. Now inside manual traffic campaign, it's going to be very similar to how you normally build the traffic, but now if you go to the ad set level, you'll see a button that says Instagram profiles. So when you click that, now every time someone clicks on your content, it sends them directly to your Instagram profile. And let me show you how that actually looks. So let me go back to the campaign that I built. So you can see that in my campaign, I have Instagram profile selected, and in the ad set level, I'm testing my content. So I'm testing about 4 of my videos to see which one will convert the best. And based on the one that converts the best, I'm gonna put the majority of my budget in there. So you can see that I'm testing 4 videos. So this is video number 1, video number 2, video number 3, and video number 4. So how am I getting these videos? These are videos that I have already posted on my Instagram. So 1, I'm boosting the videos that are already on my profile, and 2, I'm testing different variations of content to see what resonates and gets me the most followers. So if I was to duplicate this, I'm going to ad setup, and inside ad setup you'll probably have create ad selected, but what you want to do is you want to use existing post. Now inside of use existing post, you go to select post, and then you can filter by reels, or you can test content that you post on your feed, but I am testing my reels, and you can see all the reels that you posted on your page and you can test them. So if you're gonna go this route and you know what videos you want to test already, I would advise you to change your caption a bit to fit what an ad should look like. Otherwise, it's just gonna use the already existing caption and you can never change it afterwards after you run the ad, unless you delete the ad later. So I can select any of my reels, and now you can see that I'm not able to change my caption. So again, if you want to have a specific caption specific for ads, then you should change this before you select the ad. And in the call to action area, it's already visit Instagram profile selected. And how this looks is if you go to advanced preview, it'll now show visit Instagram profiles on all your ads, And on the story and reels, it'll say visit Instagram profile. So this is what I've been doing for myself and a bunch of other clients to help them gain more followers. So still this method, basically the trick is testing a bunch of different variations of content to see which content gets the highest conversion rate or gets the best data, and then you push most of your budget towards that. And then once you find a winner, you got to try to find a new winner, try to beat that content with another piece of content. And that's pretty much how you do it. It's that simple. Just create a traffic campaign and then send people to Instagram profiles, and then test different content creatives to see which one performs the best. Now, if you don't have the time to do this for yourself and you want me to do it for you because you see my results are really good and you don't trust that you can get my kind of results, then there's going to be a link under this video. Just click on that link and then fill out the form, and then I'll get in touch with you and let's see if we'll work together, and I'll be able to help you grow using ads. Now, if you like this video, there's going to be a bunch more videos right here that goes into music marketing. You can check them out just by clicking over there.